Welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter.
That's right.
If you're looking for ways to boost your income using AI,
You're in the right place.
be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future deep dives into the world of smart income.
Yeah.
Today,
Into the world of...
we're diving into the worlds of AI side hustles.
Yes.
We've got a stack of 20 potential hustles to unpack,
Okay.
from creative pursuits
Yeah.
to tech-savvy services.
All right.
So let's start with creative AI hustles.
Okay.
One that really caught my eye is designing and selling digital printables on platforms like Etsy.
Yeah, what's great about this is you only design the printable once using AI-powered tools like Canva.
Oh, wow.
List it, and it can generate passive income for months or even years.
Okay.
Imagine creating planners tailored to specific niches, holiday-themed printables, or motivational posters with AI-generated artwork.
It's amazing how AI can help tap into those trends for maximum sales impact.
Yeah.
Speaking of trends, faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now.
Uh-huh.
Our research suggests that AI can generate scripts and pair them with stock footage using tools like Pictory and Lumen 5.
That's right. The key here is consistency.
Okay.
Pick a niche, upload regularly, and once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning ad revenue without ever showing your face.
From the screen to the speakers, we also found that AI is revolutionizing voiceovers and audiobooks.
Right.
11 Labs can create incredibly realistic voices, opening up opportunities for audiobook narration,
Yes.
a booming industry,
Yes.
without needing any fancy equipment.
It's true. The quality of AI voice generation has improved drastically.
Wow.
Now you can provide professional voiceovers for various projects, all from the comfort of your home.
Okay, let's shift gears from creative pursuits to more tech and service-based AI hustles.
All right.
AI consulting seems to be in high demand as businesses scramble to integrate these new tools.
Absolutely. As AI adoption increases, smaller businesses especially struggle to effectively implement tools like ChatGPT
Right.
for customer support or DLE for creating marketing visuals.
Nutrient.
Offering your expertise to bridge this gap is a high-value service.
So it's about understanding these AI tools and tailoring them to specific business needs.
Exactly. You become a translator between the complex world of AI and the practical needs of a business.
Oh, okay.
Think of it like this. You're helping them unlock the power of AI to streamline their processes, improve customer engagement, and ultimately boost their bottom line.
Another hot topic is AI-powered content writing.
Okay.
It seems everyone needs high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media,
Right.
and more.
You're right. And tools like Jasper and ChatGPT are helping writers generate content much faster, making it an attractive option for both freelancers and businesses looking to outsource.
Along those same lines, what about using AI to help job seekers craft standout resumes and cover letters?
That's another great service to offer. Tailoring your application to each job description is time-consuming.
Yeah.
AI can analyze job postings and generate targeted resumes and cover letters that highlight relevant skills and experience.
Okay.
You could offer this on a per-resume basis or as part of a package.
Okay, now let's get into building things with AI.
Okay.
Our research highlighted chatbot creation as a great side hustle.
Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for businesses looking to automate customer interactions and sales funnels.
Oh.
With platforms like ManyChat, you can build chatbots with no coding experience,
Wow.
making it a service you could offer even to local businesses.
So you're saying that even without knowing how to code, I could help businesses improve customer engagement
Yes.
and potentially boost sales just by implementing AI-powered chatbots.
Exactly. These AI tools are democratizing access to technology, allowing people with different skill sets to participate in the AI revolution.
Interesting.
You can empower businesses to leverage these tools without needing a technical background.
Speaking of visual content,
Yeah.
what about AI's impact on graphic design?
Yeah.
Can AI really turn anyone into the next graphic design superstar?
Well, even if you're not a professional designer, AI tools like Adobe Firefly and Canva AI can help you create professional-looking graphics for social media logos, marketing materials, and more.
It's incredible how AI can empower individuals to deliver high-quality results quickly, even with limited design experience.
Right, and since the demand for graphic design is constantly growing, this is a fantastic opportunity to tap into that market.
Okay, so we've covered consulting, content creation, resume writing, chatbot building, and graphic design. What about using AI for online learning?
If you have expertise in any area, packaging your knowledge into online courses and selling them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable is a great way to leverage AI.
Hmm.
AI tools can help you with everything from course outlines to generating slides and suggesting interactive elements.
So you're saying AI could be my co-teacher.
Yeah.
That's pretty mind-blowing. But
hmm
this probably works best if you already have experience in a specific area, right?
Absolutely. AI is a tool that amplifies your existing knowledge, not replaces it.
Okay.
It's about working smarter, not harder, to leverage your expertise for maximum impact.
All right, so far we've covered a lot of ground creative pursuits, tech services, even online education.
Yes.
But what about something a little more data-driven?
Okay.
Our research mentioned using predictive analytics for retailers.
This is where things get really fascinating.
Okay.
AI can analyze tons of data to identify trends, forecast demand, and help businesses make smarter decisions.
So we're talking about using AI to predict the future.
In a way, yes.
Oh, wow.
For retailers, this could mean optimizing inventory levels, predicting high-demand products, and setting prices strategically.
Okay.
You could walk into a local boutique and offer to help them predict what their customers will want next season using AI.
It sounds like a high-value service that many small retailers would be eager to explore.
Absolutely, especially as they compete with larger online marketplaces.
Before we get too ahead of ourselves predicting the future of retail, let's move on to the next set of AI side hustle ideas.
We've talked about creating content with AI, but managing that content across different platforms can be a challenge. That's where AI social media management comes in.
Instead of endlessly scrolling, could I have an AI manage social media for me?
Well, while AI can't completely replace your social media strategy, it can certainly help streamline it.
Okay.
There are tools that schedule posts, analyze optimal posting times for engagement, and even suggest content ideas based on your target audience.
So I could offer this as a service to businesses struggling to maintain a social media presence.
Absolutely. Many businesses, especially smaller ones, lack the time or resources for social media marketing. You could step in as an AI-powered social media expert, optimizing their strategies and maximizing their online presence.
I like that we've talked about AI for creating content, but what about teaching people how to use AI? Our research mentioned AI tutoring as a potential side hustle.
That's a fantastic point. As AI becomes more widespread, the demand for individuals who understand these tools will skyrocket. You could become an AI tutor offering online courses, workshops, or even one-on-one coaching to help others effectively use AI.
So instead of fearing the rise of the machines,
Mhm.
we become the AI guides.
Precisely. You bridge the gap between the technology and those seeking to understand and utilize it. It's a valuable skill set in our rapidly changing world.
We've covered creative hustles, tech services, social media management, and tutoring. What about something in the realm of digital art?
AI is making waves in the art world too. You can use AI tools to create unique digital art pieces and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Society6.
So I could simply tell an AI, paint me a picture of a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow galaxy, and it would.
The level of detail and creativity AI can achieve in art generation is astonishing. Each piece is unique, making it perfect for selling as prints, merchandise, or digital downloads.
This all sounds incredible, but with so many AI side hustle options, where do you even begin?
Start small and focus on your strengths and interests. Enjoy writing, explore AI-powered content creation, more visual dive into graphic design or digital art. A natural teacher, consider AI tutoring.
It's about finding the intersection of your skills and the possibilities AI unlocks.
Exactly. AI is a tool that can amplify your abilities and help you reach new heights.
This has been an eye-opening exploration into AI side hustles. We've covered so much, but I'm sure there's even more to discover.
You're absolutely right. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so staying curious and adaptable is key.
Before we wrap up, let's recap some key takeaways for listeners eager to jump into the AI side hustle game.
Remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity and creativity. It can enhance those qualities and make you more efficient and productive.
Working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools. Find what works for you and discover your niche. The more you explore, the more opportunities you'll uncover.
And consistency is key. Whether you're building a YouTube channel, selling digital art, or offering AI consulting, success takes time and dedication.
Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving AI-powered side hustle.
We've covered a lot today, but there's one more AI side hustle to explore, one that could generate passive income and tap into a growing online market. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of AI-powered niche websites in the final part of our AI side hustle deep dive. Welcome back to the final part of our AI side hustle deep dive here on Smart Income Masters.
Or we're helping you unlock the potential of AI to make money smarter.
We've explored a range of AI-powered side hustles, from creative pursuits to tech services.
But we saved a special one for last.
Okay,
A side hustle that blends AI with the ever-expanding world of online content.
I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
We're talking about AI blog niche websites.
Yeah.
Websites focused on a specific niche or topic that use AI to generate high-quality content.
So instead of spending hours writing blog posts, I could have AI do it for me.
It's not quite that simple.
Okay.
AI can definitely assist with content creation, but you still need to provide direction, edit the output, and ensure the content is engaging and valuable for your target audience.
So it's more of a partnership between human and machine.
Exactly. Think of AI as your supercharged writing assistant. It can help research keywords, generate outlines, and even write drafts.
Oh, wow.
But you're the editor-in-chief shaping the content to fit your vision.
Let's say I'm passionate about indoor gardening. Could I create an AI-powered niche website all about growing herbs and vegetables indoors?
Absolutely. You could use AI to generate articles on choosing the right plants, setting up grow lights, managing pests, and even crafting recipes using your indoor harvest.
And how do these niche websites actually generate income?
Primarily through advertising. As your website attracts more traffic, you can sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense and display ads. You can also explore affiliate marketing, recommending relevant products, and earning a commission on sales.
So more traffic equals more potential income.
Precisely. That's why it's crucial to choose a niche you're passionate about with an active online audience you need to create content people are searching for that provides genuine value.
Building a website from scratch can seem daunting.
It can be, but there are plenty of resources available. You can use website builders like WordPress or Wix, and even AI-powered tools can assist with tasks like keyword research and content optimization.
So even without technical expertise, I could create a successful AI-powered niche website.
Absolutely. Remember to start small, learn as you go, and stay consistent with your content. The beauty of niche websites is their potential to generate passive income over time.
That sounds like a dream come true. We've covered so much ground in this deep dive into AI side hustles.
From creative endeavors to tech-savvy services and passive income opportunities, AI's potential is truly remarkable.
It's clear that AI isn't just futuristic fantasy anymore. It's a powerful tool anyone can use to boost their income and achieve their financial goals.
The key is to embrace this technology, understand its capabilities, and find ways to integrate it with your unique skill set.
As we conclude this episode, I want to leave our listeners with this thought. Don't be afraid to experiment and don't be afraid to fail. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. And if you're ready to start making money smarter with the power of AI, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more deep dives into the world of smart income here at Smart Income Masters.